disrupt. Meaning, to interrupt or cause problems in something. Synonyms: disturb, interrupt, upset. Example: heavy rain can disrupt traffic. Upheavals. Meaning, big sudden changes or disturbances. Synonyms: turmoil, disturbance, chaos. Example: the country faced political upheavals. Infantry. Meaning, soldiers who fight on foot. Synonyms: foot soldiers, army troops. Example: the infantry moved toward the border. Loom. Meaning, to appear as something big or worrying that is coming. Synonyms: approach, threaten, emerge. Example: exams loomed over the students. Shake up. Meaning, a big change made to improve something. Synonyms: reorganization, reform, change. Example: the company announced a major shake-up. Cushion. Meaning, something that protects from shock or reduces bad effects. Synonyms: protect, soften, support. Example: savings can cushion you during hard times. Pessimism. Meaning, expecting bad things to happen. Synonyms: negativity, hopelessness, doubt. Example: his pessimism made everyone worried. Lamenting. Meaning, expressing sadness or regret. Synonyms: mourning, regretting, grieving. Example: she was lamenting the loss of her phone. Thrust. Meaning, a strong push. Synonyms: push, shove, force. Example: he gave the door a strong thrust. Nudge. Meaning, a gentle push or encouragement. Synonyms: poke, push, encourage. Example: my friend gave me a nudge to speak. Fraying. Meaning, becoming worn out, weak, or damaged at the edges / weakening. Synonyms: wearing out, weakening, unraveling. Example: their friendship was fraying over time. Immaculate. Meaning, perfectly clean, neat, or flawless. Synonyms: spotless, perfect, flawless. Example: her room was immaculate.